おお、入っちゃった。シュッ。チェックします。OK。そしたら卵いきます。
Get the Asiago tortellini Alfredo with grilled chicken.
Okay.
And I'm gonna get soup on the side.
Okay. And our soups are right here.
Zuppa Toscana, please.
My personal favorites.
It is a lot of it. It's awesome.
Yep.
I think that's it. Thank you so
Alrighty,
much.
guys. I'll have that ready for you. And yeah, this has already been sent.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
今日はソフィーの好きなレストランに来てます。イタリアンのファミレスっていう感じです。 カラマリ食べてます。え？Do you like it?
Really good.
食べてみよう。
I love calamari. I always have.
カクテルもオーダーしました。
If you guys won't try the other sauce, babe.
柔らかい。
And chicken tortellini. Would you like cheese?
とこれはナスが入ってます。ソフィアマカロニチー
That's
ズ。
a big kid's meal.
グレープス。フレンチフライいっぱい。
Thank goodness, this is so much food. Oh my goodness.
チキン？
Yeah, chicken tortellini, cheese stuffed tortellini. It's really good, right?
まだスープを食べてます。うわ、チージー。
Really cheesy.
ナス、エッグプランチ。すごいチージー。
Smells really good.
うん。
Good? Oh, looks really good, right? I can get chicken and that in the same bite. Maybe.
チキンと
Let's do chicken first. That's really good sauce. It's Alfredo sauce. Too big.
大きい。トゥービッグです。
There we go.
You like it? Good. Here you go.
Ooh, looks good. Really good. Thank you, babe. Thank you for the dessert.
Welcome.
Here we go. You ready? Together. Teamwork makes the dream work. Really good. That bite, I got all the green. There we go. Cookie, bread, finger biscuits. Is it called finger biscuit just because it's small? Really good. What's in it? I don't know what made tiramisu is made out of. So, oh, there's cream cheese. Okay. Really good. This is coffee, right?
No, powder.
I didn't know it was cocoa powder, but I knew it wasn't cocoa powder. I'm not that. Yeah, super smooth. So, you just put the biscuits on the bottom and then make the tiramisu on top kind of thing? Or is it... Oh, yeah. That's cool. Really good. Kai was here to enjoy this. It's been a while since we had tiramisu, huh? Long time. Finger biscuit. Finger licking good.